Christmas, the perfect time for our living space to glow. If you love all things home decor, and this much is true, design with Emma is the right place for you. So go ahead and subscribe. I am Emma. And there is one more thing to say to you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From my YouTube family to yours.
This is Styling My Way. It is hosted by myself, Design with Emma, and the Grace Life Home Decor and more. Our co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Designs Corner, Debbie Bubbles, B and Mel B, Decorating with Jazza Green, and Dream with Caroline. Come along with me as I show you my entry for you. And now I'll show you my foyer. I'll take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about it. This is my dress Christmas tree, my mannequin. And what I've done, if you remember her from last year, she had a beige belt and she just had her little fair coat on here. What I've done, I've went in and added the poinsettia to match her body. I also added the black belt, and then I went in and added the black ornaments slanting down her dress to the floor. On the floor, I added the black tulle under the dress as my tree skirt. It was very budget friendly, adding the black tulle to it instead of doing our actual tree skirt. On the side, I have a few little gift boxes. So on the sofa table here, what I have the reindeer. And this is the larger one I used to use under the tree. I got new ones, so I did put this one over here. And this came from Kohl's, I think. Yes. I have the 3 candle holders, and they were from Goodwill. I've added the garland, and this beautiful garland was from Joann Fabric. I've also added the lantern you see me do here in a DIY. I left the Christmas tree in it. I just put lights on the Christmas tree. And also, I lined it lights all the way down the garland. On the bottom shelf, what I have two Christmas trees. I have the gold and the white, and then I have the gold stars. Now, all of this decor down here was purchased from Hobby Lobby at that 90% off sale. And I have the same on this side. In the middle, I have a little reindeer, and he is sitting on the two coffee table books. And if you see, he has the same beads around his collar as the larger reindeer. Over here, on my shelf at the top, I have the gold sleigh that I picked up from Goodwill, and inside it, I've added the ornaments. On the side of it, I have the two little Christmas trees. As you come down, I have the poinsettia and just a black box from Ross's. The poinsettias were from Hobby Lobby. On the next shelf, I have the little house, and I have it sitting on a riser with the poinsettia and the beautiful little shoes. The next shelf, I've just added the poinsettia and a bow here with another set of black beads and a candlestick. And on the last shelf, I have another little house I picked up at the Goodwill, a little reindeer, and that black circle. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More for inviting me to be a part of this open collaboration, decorating your foyer for Christmas. I also want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family because we would love to have you. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my entryway. And now for the night view. I want to thank each and every one of you all for watching, and make sure you go over and check out that playlist I have left each and every one of the co-hosts in my description box, so you all make sure you stop by and check out their entryway. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.